Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit in the Riverside FM. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to your account dashboard. And in here, if you want to go ahead and edit, of course, you want to click on the edit function. But before I do that, I'm just going to click on record in order to actually import my audio. And right after, basically heading over to the editor section, you can then browse your files, you can upload one, or once again, you could just click on record. So let's just go ahead and record our audio real quick. Right after recording, you then want to click on continue editing. And of course, right after, it will then take us to the editor section on which we can now make the adjustments that we want onto our video clip or our audio clip. And so you could just edit normally. For example, if you want to split your tracks, if you want to go ahead and add transition, you could do this easily on this specific page. You have your AI tools, you have your track, you have all of your media, and that's going to be it. Basically, you can make all of the adjustments that you want and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.